There was a gap opening early today on XAUUSD, and you can see the market has significantly reacted to the gap. And after the break of structure, we see the market started to trend again on XAUUSD. So this is a complete multi-time frame analysis to see where we can find next opportunity. As you can see, this market currently trending and expecting significant opportunity. Before we look at how we can trade on the lower time frame, let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in this market. So looking at the monthly, we can see that XAUUSD from this monthly support level, there has been significant bounce here. And what we can see that from this support level in this instrument has made a bounce pullback, another bounce deeper pullback. It is in another impulsive phase. So we see that on the third wave on the monthly XAUUSD potentially creating another all-time high. The price is almost approaching that previous monthly resistance, and if the price managed to bounce above the level, we could see that potential further breakout to the upside to create a new higher high. Dropping down to the weekly chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that from the weekly perspective as well, this is a very strongly bull market. We can see that there is an inverted head and shoulder formation, and with that inverted head and shoulder, there is a strong breakout from that inverted head and shoulder pullback with a stronger momentum. Now with that pullback, we can see the price from the weekly perspective has dropped to that support level. This weekly drop was a strong liquidity grab, and we can see that after previous weekly narrow candle formation, this week the market still has formed a series of higher low, and the price is potentially breaking to the upside, and we might see that potential new higher high in this instrument. And this is the previous weekly high as the price approaching that level, expecting for this market to potentially trend to create a new higher high. If we look at the daily chart on XAUUSD, we can see that there is an inverted head and shoulder formation here, and that inverted head and shoulder is quite significant, as we have seen that there was a break of structure here, and with that break of structure the market has formed that inverted head and shoulder, strong breakout from that inverted head and shoulder, and the price currently approaching that important daily resistance line where there is a high liquidity. The price has dropped from that level, approaching that level. We could see that potentially approaching that level and breaking that high to create a new higher high. So dropping down to the lower time frame, further 1 hour chart, we can see that there was early today there was a break of structure here, and that break of structure has given stronger momentum in this market. If we closely look at it, we can see that this is a very important support that multiple time tested. There was a bounce, another test, there is a bounce, and another test. We saw that there is a breakout, and early today the market opened with a gap, and that was quite important gap here, and we can see the price has dropped with a one stronger momentum. This is the 1 hour price action here, and that 1 hour price action, we see the price has tested that 1 hour support with this gap, has made this bounce to the upside. Now with that bounce, what we can expect for this market after a pullback to trend again to create a new higher high. So dropping down to the 15-minute chart here, we can see that from day trading perspective the market trend is bullish, and we will be waiting for deeper pullback after this impulse. Any stronger liquidity grab can give entry opportunity in this market. As soon as we will find suitable entry on XAUUSD, we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.